All right. Going live again just because I want to make up some time that I had lost due to my random headache. So, starting up again, but I got to decide on what I want to do. Just got some random music playing. Hopefully, it's not terrible stuff. I wish I could control the volume on this. There it is. Dun, dun, dun. All right. What do I want to build today? I got the custom menu. Got the materials. Oh, maybe I should get rid of all the debugs. Just root here. And if we go to map 2, change whatever this is. Wow, that really doesn't help at all. All right. Oh, guess I come in last. Oh, it didn't come in last. Nice. Okay. Wait, where am I at? Oh, why am I over here? Oop. I don't know if there's anything I want to work on in this game right now. Let's see. Probably not. Let's open up another project. Or maybe I could figure out how to do animations, maybe? Yeah, let's open that up. We'll close you out. Yes. We'll open this up. You were using free version. Yeah, that's kind of the point. Forgot what I was doing over here, to be honest. Oh. I remember how to navigate in here because we pull up cast skater tutorial. All right, let's see.
Hi everyone! Today we're gonna be looking at how to animate two characters in a single scene in Cascadeur. As a reference, I'm gonna be using this video here.
I just want to see the controls, please. Hey, what's up, Jesse? Sorry, I'm just looking at a bunch of random stuff at the moment. Trying to decide what I want to do right now. May look into animations, but not sure if I really want to be honest. I don't know why it says that I am out of date here. I finished making a customized window for my marble game, so I could look into my stat stuff that I did. But honestly, not sure what I want to work on at the moment. I think I actually need to reopen my Epic because I don't touch the stat system on this one. Let's open here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Not sure what I want to create. I think I was trying to create a world map at some point and then paused on that. Is something... Hey, what's up, Jed? I am trying to decide what I want to do. So I'm just looking at my stat system right now. Trying to think how I want to handle bonus stats, which will probably just be a different variable. And then I can just combine both at the end. Just not sure if that's what I want to do. Since you're here, Jed, have we ever heard anything about the art? Oh wait, I have that channel muted, but I'm taking a look. Ooh, that door looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna show the chat, but the door you made is pretty cool. Is this the marble game? Oh no, I closed the marble game, but I can show you real quick. It's right now it's just very simple with like no art as usual. I just closed it right now because I did a customization window. I like to take pauses every now and then. Does Winter just show up just to make comments? All right. We got marble over here. I'll show you the game. Super simple. Hit play. We got our nice short little menu. Hit play. You can enter your name. Boop. You can change the colors. Granted, the colors aren't actually appearing as they should because green on top of red makes yellow. So still have to figure out how I want to do that. But anyways, once we hit start, go into the map. We have our marble that's set. Asked him for feedback. Okay. And then the marble race just goes. It's just meant to be not really interactive. Right now, I'm going to try to see if I can recreate the toon shader we're using in Blender. Oh. Sounds... And got placed in 6. Right now, that's the end of it. It doesn't really restart yet. I haven't handled that logic yet, or any type of wins. Right now, I'm still waiting on a lot of assets for the map, which is why it just looks like this little mess with a bunch of collisions. If Toon Shader... Are you trying to recreate it so that we don't need to use the one that's in Unreal, or just so that when you create assets, it takes in mind of the Toon Shader? Anyways, that's the marble game. D2. Not sure what I want to handle right now. I originally wanted to do a ability system, but the only ability system I can think of is one that somebody else made, which was basically you have an ability blueprint actor, blueprint ability, and then you had, what was it called? Special. The ladder. Oh, okay. Doing it for me so when I design stuff I get an idea of what it would look like when imported. Yeah, that's fair. Are you trying to create more assets for... This is not a good song. You trying to create the assets for us? I feel like it's just been waiting, and I'm not sure what we plan on doing with it yet. Q kind of said that he was going to work on the art when my intention was we should just all start using free assets. And it ended up going right back to where it originally started, so I'm not sure what we want to do with that game, because I don't think, other than you talking, it seems like that's pretty much it. Oh, and bass player. Anyways, custom ability. Begin play. And then let's do this. Active component. AC. Ability system. Abilities list. Abilities. Or is it just ability? Class reference. Function. Cast ability. Input. Ability. Class. Ability. Class reference. Create. Player character. Transform. I've also been trying to learn how to code so that I can work on Godot as well, because I'm trying to learn other engines in hopes to expand my knowledge in game development. but I'm absolutely garbage when it comes to coding. Right now, I'm just trying to learn Python because it's super simple. But anyways, okay, so we spawn the actor, and then from spawning the actor, this is casting the ability, but I need the player to also let me change this to spawn ability. Custom event. Cast ability. Get player character. Play montage. No, that's not it. Play montage. There we go. Character. Skeleton mesh. Nope. Mesh. Plug that in. Python was made using C. I got a stupid emote that's in the way. Hold on. Let me open the browser one so I can actually read. Python was made using C. New pinch it. I don't know any language, so I have no idea. But Python, just as I'm going through, feels pretty easy to understand. And then after, I plan on learning a bit more on C++, because I want to eventually turn my stat component into, well, my end game would be to put it into a plugin, but that requires a lot more coding knowledge than what I'm capable of, and I don't imagine I can do that anytime soon. And then montage to play. I wonder... if I could do a data asset instead. So let me... Python and C++ are two very basic, very different beasts. Okay. Yeah, no, I imagine. Can't use italics. The chat is not as good. Like, we could always talk on Discord if that's easier for you, Jed. Or you can just chat here if you're doing something. I don't mind. Though the interacting with someone makes this a lot easier. As I'm trying to figure out how I want to do a ability system. Because I have one in my other game, but I'm not really a fan. DA. And it's still a bit manual. DA ability. And then from here, assets. And then we'll do, I think I could just type in data actually. Data assets, we'll do data. Oh, that didn't work. Ability. DA. I don't know, we'll just call that punch. Going back over here, we're gonna do name, ability, abilities, class reference, and then, oh wait, sorry, that's a string. This will be ability. God, my spelling is awful right now. Class reference, and then we'll do special effect, and this will be special effects. Okay. From here, I wonder if there's something else we could do with it. That should be fine at the moment. Because now if we go back over into, let me close that. Let's close that. All that ability list. We'll delete the other one. We'll turn this into DA ability. Object. Array. And then I can put punch. Okay. Cast ability should be input. There should be an index of an integer. I should probably have a function. Oh, I needed a montage for it too. Oh, well, if I did a montage in there, it would just be the same one. Dang. I don't know if that was a good use of my time. Because the data asset would only work with one character. Unless they all had the same skeleton, which I guess nowadays is pretty easy to do. That's fine. We'll go about doing that. Let's do animation. No, you can't just type animation. Montage. Let's do that. Get copy. And from here, what did I call it? Animation. Should be able to plug that in. On blend out, let's do. Oh wait, this should be spawnability. Oh, why didn't it let me do that? Maybe, hold on. Cast ability. Cast ability. Come on now. Can I not do montage in here? What's going on? Plan a montage. What in the world? Montage. Oh, you really can't do it in here. All right. Okay. Anyways. Spawn ability. No, let's just do this. Custom event play montage. And we can get around that montage. Montage. And then we'll do this mesh. Skeleton? Skeleton? Skeletal mesh. Skeletal. There we go. Okay. We got mesh. And then from here, we should be able to just plug in both. Wait. Oh, did I rename the wrong ones? I did. Okay. And then from here, let's reorganize this once more. Oh, come on. It's not compatible. Ah. Skeletal mesh component. So picky. Oh, but then how am I going to do... Oh, that's fine. That's fine. I could do... I think I run into the same problem. Because then it goes on blend out. I'm not sure I want to structure this because I don't want to have to keep passing along, but I guess I have no choice. Ability. Plug that in. Okay. So I guess I don't need that. And then spawn ability creates the actor where I'm at. How many things do I have open right now? Let me move all of this over here. Trying to find... my project. I think it was over here. What ability are you working on? It's just I'm trying to come up with an ability system that I like. Because in my other game that I was working on, I do have an ability system. So, for example, in here, I have like nice little abilities that I can click. but I wasn't really a fan of how I structured it. Ignore this chaotic mess. So ability effect. In the ability, if you can activate the ability, then on blend out, it will go over here and then it will spawn the effects that are happening. And on interrupted, it will just stop playing the animation and destroy the actor. And this is a system that another YouTuber made. And I don't mind it. I want to make it more practical for myself. I guess I could use a lot of this anyways. I just like to play around to see if I can create something that I'll enjoy. I'm wondering is why do I have to create two different ones? Maybe I don't. So what if I went into the ability? The ability class is spawn instance when the player uses the ability. Yep. When the player uses the ability, it will spawn it and then cast it to do whatever it's necessary. So the ability, which will spawn and handle like the communication, then it spawns the special effect, which this special effect will be whatever, whether it's a missile, whether you're punching, whatever it is. It's something I've been trying to play around for a bit, but every time I get to it, I end up coming back to the same conclusion as the last one, where I just end up recreating the one that I showed previously. And projectile movement. Let's see. Let me see. Gravity. I don't need it to be affected by gravity. No. And then I think I just need a particle of some kind. I don't know if I have any particles though. Oh, why did this happen? Whoa. Oh, what happened here? Oh, that was weird. Okay. I don't think... Huh. Maybe not explosion, but maybe... Well, it's not really a punch, but let's go into data assets. Oh, of course, we don't have animations because there's no montages. I think that's just a bit more than what I wanted to. Maybe I'll just work on this a bit later. Just not sure I want to structure this, and I end up going right back to my other thing, so let me close that. What do I want to do? Created stats. Level int. Level agility. Let's add some bonus stats and stuff. Level stats. Hey guys, welcome to the stream. Oh, what is this song? Welcome to both of you. And let's see. Let's create. Let's do basic. Put that over here. Copy that. We'll call this bonus stats. These are some weird songs going on. I would like to ask you. What? Do you have any souls I could have, please? The soulless one. No, I got no soul. It's been gone since I was 5. Love your channel. Of course, man. Glad to help out. Glad you've been joining. Same. Yeah, happy to help out. Let me default these to 0. Delete that. Delete that. And let's do bonus attributes. We don't need XP here. I have to go to bed. Have a good night. All right, man. Well, have a good night. Thanks for showing up. Apathy is a tragedy and boredom is a crime. Good luck on the live. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I ended up missing out earlier because I had to end it. So I decided to stream a little just to make up. But of course, it's a lot more quieter at night. Boredom is a crime. Lack of interest, enthusiasm, or concern. I literally looked up the definition. Yeah, I try to stay busy as well. So boredom happens every now and then. Did chat die? Do I need to use necromancy? Yeah, bring them all back to life. There was a lot alive earlier today, but when I had to go, it was a shame. I was helping somebody with a character select earlier today. Or at least how to populate it. I think I still have it here. But No, I'm the only one here. Yeah, Jed's been the hero today. And yeah, he also has no soul. Okay. So we got bonus attributes, we got bonus stats. Let's categorize them as bonus. Then I also want to do the same thing again for total. This feels like a lot of variables, and I'm not a fan of this. I feel like there's a better way of doing it too. Cannot give what I do not have. Dun, dun, dun. And then from here, let's see. This is leveling up all the attributes, and then you level the stats. What is this macro? Okay, so what if instead of that I just plugged it into here? Attribute. Yeah. For scientific reasons. So that we can all regain the soul we lost as children from our childhood trauma. Okay. So for music, I have to play things that can't conflict with any copywriting. But man, there's a reason why people don't care if people play these songs, because they are I mean, we still got people here. You guys are chatting, so I mean it's partially live. Plus, if you're talking, is it really dead? Oh. There we go. And then we'll get attributes. Yeah, bring it to life, man. Until someone joins. Hey, no, I'm cool with it. It actually gives me something to chat with. I'm only 2 days into college. I'm still... Yeah, what are these songs? Oh, you're gonna start singing now? Yeah, that sounds like you're reciting lyrics. Just ask that you don't completely spam the chat, that's all. Okay, so this means no, I can't do everything I just did. That's not gonna work. Because this is adding the attribute, and then what it does is it checks for it within here. Oh man, I'm gonna have to restructure like everything. This is... Or I'd have to redo all of these. Unfortunately, I have to leave. I hope the rest of the live goes well. Yeah, man. No, thanks for stopping by, chatting, making me laugh a few times. I appreciate it. Hope you have a good rest of your night and catch up on your 3 lectures behind on day 2. I don't even know how you managed to do that. I'm trying to think of how I want to handle my bonus attributes, because they're all based upon this map, and it means I have to change all of these. So let me duplicate this, because I don't want to screw up the entire thing. Stats v2. Because I need to change all of these to match the respected attribute. Or I can literally just copy all of them and just change it. I wish I could copy all of these. Let me see. This is a more manual effort that I'm... No, I gotta redo like everything. Okay, so let's go in here. Put that in here. Stat map. Add stat value. Pull that over there. Wonder how much this is gonna break though. Plug that into here. Stat map. Theoretically, should be fine. Is the switch really necessary attribute map? Are you talking about, where is it? Where was it? It was one of these. I forget. I know exactly what you're referring to though. Do this, right? I'm assuming this is the one that you're referring to. And I left it as is because all the other ones are, but at any point in time, if I want a specific event to be called after, I can just do that. So technically I could delete this and it will change literally nothing and it'll look a lot cleaner. So I do get that. But for these ones, when I do a switch, I'll call an event and then I pass that along and I'm doing the same thing. So I left it as is just for the chance that if I end up revisiting and changing stuff or setting a value, I probably don't need to. But it doesn't bother me that it's here right now. But I also need to fix all these so it can accept the other maps attribute. But I knew exactly what you were talking about the moment you asked. It's honestly it's out of laziness, because if I need to use it later, I'm gonna use it. But if let's say like it was the final version, I would just delete it. So you're absolutely correct on that part. Uh, it does not contribute. Did I fix all of these? Attribute. Nope. Um. Okay. So that looks good. Having to redo all of this is kind of annoying because now it requires a map every time. I guess I could do macros. Yeah, because now look at all these. I'll hold off on the macros right now, but for now, let's just make sure to use all the basics. Plug that in. It's gonna look ugly at the moment. Oh, it's stats. Well, if I was gonna do macros, I may as well just do the functions for the bonus and I don't know what's efficient, to be honest. Where else is attributes needed? You probably in here. Multiplier, attribute map. Plug that in. Oh, right. That doesn't work in. Oh, this is going to be disgusting. Let's do that. Plug that into there. Oh, wait. Mm, I really don't like how this is coming out. That's so ugly. It's horrifying. Yep. Everything's going to be broken right now. I understand that. Level up. This can still be the same attribute. However, scale stats. Yep. Oh, well, they're all based upon multipliers. I shouldn't have touched those macros. I'm going back. Attribute. Stats. Okay. I fixed those. I fixed all my current problems. Let's just check to make sure it's still working. Go to third person. I'm gonna change for V2. Put character data, it's fine. Let's go into here. Press 1. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, stat component. Where did I create the widget? I forgot. From here. I need to change that to V2. Yeah. Attribute. Check. XP level. Copy. Paste. Level. XP. Max XP. Get attributes. Plug all that in. Plug all that in. And it broke. Where do we go? Now I ended up making things even more manual for myself. Stats. I feel like I should just make the functions. We'll do attributes. Is none trying to read. Oh, I messed up once more. There we go. Hey, look, I'm level 3. I'm not getting XP though, which is weird because I'm level 3. And that's because attribute. There we go. But stats aren't adding now. So let's go back over to stats. And that's because get attributes. That means all of these are not working. did it get the original stats to set correctly, though? So level and XP are updating correctly, but the rest of the stats are not. Means my scaling stats aren't working. And that's all the way over here. We open the macro. Stats are setting the stat value to the multiplier based upon the attributes. This has, in fact, scalars mentioned. If we open this up, I see no reason that shouldn't work. Ah, this is all working as intended. This is not. Okay. Okay, so we have the values there. 0. That makes no sense. Hmm. Alright, I'll probably have to approach this differently. Doesn't look like this route is actually doing as I want. What I can't figure out is why this is not. Selecting the stat that's being used. It's multiplying based upon the multiplier. Stats, which has default values. Oh, all right. I missed something. Gotta go. Have a good night. Or good. Yeah. You too, Jed. Have a good night, man. I'm probably gonna stop in a second. Just wanted to see how I could go about doing this. Add attributes. There we go. Okay, I fixed it. Now I just have to figure out how to make it cleaner, but I'll be able to do that later. Appreciate everybody that stopped by today to watch. Just trying to think of different ways for my stat component series in the future so that I can make sure to calculate all stats. So, for example, if you have your base stats and then you also have your inventory stats, you'd be able to calculate them both together so that you're not running into any issues there. All right, well, I think I'll stop here. Thank you everybody for stopping by. Appreciate it. Have a good night.